A lot of people struggle with getting the right size for their YouTube channel art, and probably how to even create a YouTube channel art that fits in properly without the hassle of struggling with your sizes and stuffs like that. So I'm creating this video. I'm going to be doing my YouTube channel art with picart and canva because I want it to be creative. So I'm going to be using picart and canva, and after which I will show you how I upload it on my YouTube channel. So here you go. I'll first go to pick art. When I'm on pick art, I'll click on the plus sign down there. Then I'll pick a background that suits. There are plenty free background. There are lots of free backgrounds here. So I'll go to all photos, all photos background. Then I'm going to be looking for I'm here on background. From background, I'll go pick a background that I like. So let's go. I'm picking a free background. Okay, let me just use this one. Go for something simple. I'll go to tools. From tool, I'll go to crop. From crop, I'll just click on where you have the number top here. It highlights my crop ratio. Then I'll come here. The weight, I'll put 1546. Then the height, I'll tap on it, highlight it, and put 423. Okay, now I will apply. After which I'll do what I want to do. Okay, here you go. This is basically me creating a thumbnail, a channel art, sorry. So I'll go to sticker. I will pick new search. This is how I created what you can see up on my channel. I'll click on it. I'll come down here. I'll place it. Then I'll go to sticker, go to plus again, don't apply, go to plus again, go to sticker. Then when I get to sticker, I'll pick the subscribe. I'll go to subscribe. That's the YouTube subscribe button. So I'm checking around. Okay, I don't see what I want. Subscribe, like, comments. No, that means it's not here. I'll just write subscribe. Search. Subscribe, search. Let's see if I'm going to find what I want. I want a mix of everything. Like, share. Good. See one here. And I like this one. I'll reduce it and I'll move it to this end. I'll move it to the other end. Beautiful. I'll move this one down a bit. I don't even need to, yeah, just a bit. Great. So once I've done this, I will now come and write what I want to write. Remember, you can always adjust. That's why you don't apply till you sure you're done. So I'll click on plus, not apply, plus. Then go to text. Smartphone creatives hub. Good. That go good. Then I'll reduce it, stretch it out. Okay, drag it, move it, pull it up. Remember, you can still adjust the other ones. You can still adjust them. So I'll pull this up, adjust this one, move this one. Remember, adjusting it. Then go to stroke. I like the black stroke, so no need. If you don't like it, you can pick other colors, but black is fine with me. Go to shadow. I like the black shadow. Remember, if you don't like the black shadow, you can equally go to color and pick a color of shadow that you like. Or should I go for this purple? I think this purple looks nice. Something else? Well, let me go for black. I just like the black. Smartphone creatives hub. Then I'll come down here, click on plus again, click on text, write it, business, space it out, business, photography, videography, business, photography, videography, lifestyle. Randoms. So I type this, finish, I click on good, adjust it, pull it out. Remember, I can change the font if I don't like this font. Let me stretch it a bit. Good. And I'm on the font, so I'm going to change the font right away. I'm going to change the font. I just changed the font. Okay, I'm trying to adjust it. Move it. But let's highlight it with stroke. Then I'll come to the shadow. I'll pick a different color of shadow. Pick a different color. Go to the color. Okay, so this looks great. Wall highlighted. I think I like it. I like it this way. Move this a little. Move this a little. Okay, so new videos, come to plus again, click on text, new videos, pick the video icon. That was what I did. Click on good, go right there, move it. Now place it here. New videos. So I'm going to be moving this, move it here. New videos every, click on plus, texts, new videos every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. Click on good, stretch it, move it. So basically I just showed you how I created this. Shadow, black shadow, it's fine. So that's it. Apply, next, save it, done. Okay, so the next I'll do is go to Canva. Okay, so when I'm on Canva, I'll come down, I'll scroll to where we have YouTube channel art, click on it. I'll click on a blank space, and then I'll click on that blank background. This is what I see when I click on the channel art, and then I'll go to plus. From plus, I'll click on images. From images, I'll click on my thumbnail created from picart. Once you click on it, don't adjust anything, don't touch anything, don't do anything. Just come up here and save as image. Save it. Beautiful. So we've saved it. So you go right to Google, go to youtube.com, go. I'm on my channel because my channel is logged in already. Then I'll come down here, this tray icon. I'll go to request desktop site, and from request desktop site, I will now see my, if in case it's not bringing you here, you see customize channel. You click on customize channel before it can bring you here, where you can be able to click on this icon here. From this icon, you edit channel art. From edit channel art, you click on select a photo library. You pick that channel art that you brought from Canva. Done. Once you have uploaded it, once it's done uploading, can you see it? It will fit exactly into your space. So you click on, let's look at it. I zoomed in to look at it. So I think it fits exactly into my space. If it doesn't, I can come here and click on adjust the crop. I can move it. That's if I feel it doesn't fit in, but I feel it fits in, so there's absolutely nothing for me to move. It will definitely fit in because I already did my resizing properly. So it fits in. I select. It has saved. So my thumbnail is ready and beautiful. This is how it appears, and when I'm on my mobile app, it appears just exact like I want it to be. Like it just fits into the screen properly.